Namaste guys, welcome to the 15th December session of the Hindu analysis connecting current affairs, the static part. So what we are doing here is coming to the first news is wholesale price inflation spikes to a record as food and fuel surge. So what is important here to read is what is wholesale price index and whether it counts goods only or services also. You can also see this and what is price index and which committee, Golder committee has recommended the formation of producer price index. You can also see that which organization publishes WPI and which organization publishes consumer price index CPI, and also you can see the inflation targeting that is done by the RBI based on which wholesale price index or consumer price index. And you can also see here it is ADB Pairs India's. So you can refer what is ADB, where is its headquarter. So it is basically a regional development bank which was established in around 1960s, and its headquarter is in Manila, Philippines. What is more important to note here is its name is Asian Development Bank, but other than Asian countries also allowed to be the part. In fact, the USA along with Japan has the highest share in the ADB, so you can refer that thing as well. And you can also write the share of India in the ADB in the comment section. So another important news coming here is it is Supreme Court approves the widening of 3 Char Dham highways. So what is important in this article is the 3 national highways that has been referred: Rishikesh to Mana, Rishikesh to Gangotri, and Tanakpur to Pithoragarh. So Pithoragarh was recently in news due to the Nepal claim of the Limpiadhura Lipu Lake area. So you can refer where it is located, especially the Lipu Lake, the Limpiadhura, the Kali River, which is known as the Sharda in the plain area. And you can also refer the 1996 that Panchsheel Dam, which was promised by India to be built for Nepal as well. So another important article was here: disclosure all ingredient used in food items said by High Court. So this statement reminds me of the Rotterdam Convention, which talked about a prior informed consent. So you can refer Rotterdam Convention. Along with that, if you are referring Rotterdam Convention, you can also see the Stockholm Convention and the Basel Convention also. So another important article coming to page number 2. Page number 2 has an important article: rename Akbar Road after General Rawat. So you can refer, it can be asked in some small state PSC examination. So this is important for that. Page number 3, there was an important article regarding is here TT service to Kathmandu back. I was not aware that Delhi Transport Corporation is running buses to Kathmandu as well. So I have uh, I've known this fact today only. So you can remember this thing as well. Very important for the any small examination, state PSC or any SSC examination can be asked. So coming on to the page number 4, here it is: BJP wins big in Karnataka Council poll. So what is important to read here is what is Legislative Council, how it is made, and how it is abolished, especially with respect to the Article 169. You can remember that Article 169 as well, and what are the process of creating and abolishing the Legislative Council, and what are its powers with respect to especially with respect to when we are comparing it with the Rajya Sabha, what are its power and restriction as compared to the Rajya Sabha. So coming on to the page number 5, here it is: Sahay scheme, sports action towards harnessing aspiration of youth. So it is recently launched by the Jharkhand government. You can remember this as well. Coming on to the page number 6, here it is: pain from prices. So this article is talking about more fuel tax cuts are needed to prevent the inflation from hurting the recovery. What is important here is you can refer the economic recovery and the shapes of economic recovery. What are shapes of economic recovery? And there is a concept of stagflation. Like stagflation means criteria or a situation in which inflation is high, but growth is less. So you can refer that thing as well. What is stagflation and which curve, which important curve of economy it is violating the stagflation phenomena. And you can also refer, this article is referring about the supply side constraint. So you can refer that thing as well, supply side constraint. Other other than this, this complete article is important. So you can refer that complete article as well. And this article is going back to the Foundation of Republic, written by Sushir Tharoor. If you can read and understand, you can read it also. but not important. The NMP, the National Monetization Pipeline, very important article. What is National Monetization Pipeline? A very important recent initiative. And as this article is mentioning that the views expressed are personal. So instead of referring the views, you can just take out the facts that it has, that it article is providing, nothing important. Coming on to the page number 7, here it is: needed repeal of AFSPA, not regret. So this has been said by some Naga people. So you can also refer, we will come with a separate video on the AFSPA, so stay tuned for that. So till you can read this article, very important article with respect to examination point of view. And another important article was on page number 8: India votes against United Nations draft resolution on climate change. So India has opposed. Why it is opposed? Because India has said that don't shift such things from UNFCCC to Security Council. So you can refer what is UNFCCC as well, and why India is voting against United Nations draft resolution on climate change. Like it was brought by Ireland and Niger to declare climate change as a security threat, as a global security threat. So, but certain developing countries like India, China, Russia, the other Asian powers are against this. Why? Because it is putting burden on these countries instead of the developed countries. So you can refer that article, also complete article, very important one. Coming on to another important article was about the on page number 9. On page number 9, Konyak Nagas demand that armed forces keep out of Mon. So this can be asked that Konyak tribe was in news. To which tribal group it is belong? It belongs to Nagas. So you can remember that thing as well. Coming to the page number 10, um, here it is: issue ration card to sex workers as well. So this article is talking about the fundamental right. Supreme Court has said fundamental right and right to equality is for everyone. Along with this, you can also refer what is one nation, one ration card scheme and what are its challenges it will face and how it can be resolved. Very important for the mains examination point of view. Coming to the page number 11. Page number 11 is for world politics. Here it is. Pfizer has, not Pfizer, Pfizer has developed a COVID-19 pill, which it is said it is 90% effective. So you can refer that article. And also the human rights to be core part in the Garcity's India engagement. So this article is not important. What is important? Why India is vital for the United States of America. Like here said that we have a shared vision of free and open Indo-Pacific region and support free trade. And here it is. Another important article like International Solar Alliance, which is headed by India and which US has joined in November. It is also important. On CAATSA, he has not given said anything like will India be under the CAATSA waiver for buying the Russian S-400 missile defense system or not. So this one article is talking about that human rights to be core part of Garcity India's engagement. Another article is no punishment for US troops over Kabul strike. So irony on the same page, you can refer that thing as well. And Blinken vows to expand US military might in Indo-Pacific, very important one. Belarus court jails leader suspend for 18 years. So Belarus is also important. Map location is important. Here it is: 62 killed in Haiti tanker blast. So recently, President of Haiti was also killed. It's a Caribbean nation. See its location on the map. Very important one. Coming to the page number 12, business part. So RBI ushers in corrective action scheme to better control non-banking financial companies or corporation. So this article is talking about the PCA framework for NBFCs. So you can refer what is prompt corrective action framework for which work for scheduled banks, cooperative banks, and you can also refer that this is going to be for NBFCs as well. And why PCA framework is important: to control the non-performing assets and NPAs. Another important article was here: November export jumps 27.2% to $30.04 billion. So you can refer India's target of $400 billion export. You can also see merchandise export India scheme, which was not which is not up to the standards put by the World Trade Organization. So another scheme, Road TAP scheme, was formalized by India to promote the exports in India. And you can also refer the role of special economic zone in the export promotion as well. So that's all from this page. On page text and context, there was an important article about the zero budget natural farming. The truth about the zero budget natural farming. What is zero budget natural farming? In which like plant waste are the agricultural waste are being used for as a uh, feed to animals, and animal waste are used as a feed to or fertilizer to the agriculture part. So you can refer this complete article, very important one. So that's all from today's newspaper. We'll meet again tomorrow.